Morales, an accredited competency assessor for computer servicing in C2. So I would like to acknowledge our AC manager, Ms. Maglius, and our tester representative, Ms. Morales. Good morning, ma'am. You don't have to worry about their presence since later to oversee the competency conduct and to ensure it aligns with the prescribed methodology and procedure. They will not assist you. I will be the one to assist you throughout this competency assessment. So before I start, we will first check the attendance. So as I call your name, please submit your admission slip and sign the attendance sheet. Please come here, Ms. Valeria. Ms. Jessica Alex. And Ms. Ms. Pacharo. And Ms. Gomez. So I have here your complex self-assistant guide with me, indicating your ability to perform all the unit of competency in this qualification. So I have checked the assessment center and the tester representative handed me the assessment package earlier. So today I'm going to administer competency assessment for computer servicing in C2 with 2 core unit of competency, namely install and configure computer system and set up computer networks. This assessment aims to evaluate your competency in handling computer system skills and to determine if you possess the necessary skills and knowledge for computer servicing in C2 qualification. So the task that we perform in this qualification is install and configure computer system. Evidence will be collected through demonstration, oral questioning, and written test. To assess your knowledge and skills for computer system servicing in C2, you will all undergo demonstration and oral questioning. This method aims to measure your uneven knowledge and skills. If you have any questions regarding the assessment result, you have the right to appeal. Submit your appeal to the tester provincial office where the assessment center and assessors are accredited. For issuance of your NC2 certificate, it will be sent to your active Gmail account taken during your registration with your ID picture. You will print it. If you want it sealed, go to the tester provincial office for free sealing. For cap, you can pay additional 50 pesos. After the assessment, if you found not yet competent, then don't worry. You can undergo reassessment at your own convenience. In case of full qualification reassessment, repeat the whole process. If you found not yet competent in specific unit, the reassessment will focus on those units. During the assessment, please observe safety as you perform different tasks. In case of accident, please call my attention so we can provide you with a first aid. Our first aid kit is located at the right corner of this room. So for your personal needs, our comfort room is located at the back of this room. And then I hope you brought water and snacks because you are no longer allowed to leave this room during the assessment. For that, you can see our food court located at the Student Center building, first floor. If you have any questions and concerns, raise your hand and I will assist you. But during the assessment, please refrain from asking questions. It is no longer allowed. If you have any form of difficulty, please call my attention so I can address it immediately. Do you have any questions, clarifications? If none, I will now distribute the assessment agreement sheet. Please read the instruction carefully and answer all the questions outlined in document. If you need assistance, please call my attention. I can assist you immediately. And now I will collect the assessment agreement sheet. And now, let's proceed to written test. So, I will give you 30 minutes to answer a 30-item question. So, please read the instruction carefully and answer all the questions in the questionnaire. Do you have any questions? If not, you will start now. Okay, time's up. I will collect the papers now. Since we are done with the written test, let's proceed to the last test, the actual demonstration. So you will perform the installing and configuring computer system. So I will observe you while performing the task. So the first two candidates would be Guy Rhea and then Jerry Garrett. So let's proceed to the venue now. Okay, time's up. So Miss Jerry Garrett, please come here. Okay, time's up. Thank you, Miss Jerry Garrett. So candidates, since we are done with the actual demonstration, let's proceed to oral questioning. So the first candidate would be Guy Rhea. Please come here in front. So Miss Guy Rhea, so the first question would be, how important is installing and configuring computer system?
Um, Installing and configuring computer system is crucial for ensuring they operate effectively and securely. And proper installation and configuration can optimize performance, enhance security, and ensure the compatibility with other systems and software.
So, next question. What role of installing and configuring computer system?
The role of installing and configuring computer system is it prevents issues such as system crashes, like data loss and security breaches, and overall investing time in proper installation and configuration can save you a lot of trouble down the line.
Thank you, Ms. Valeria. So, candidate number 2 is Jerry Garrett. Please come here in front. The first question would be, how important is installing and configuring computer system?
Installing and configuring computer systems is essential for several reasons. First, it ensures that the hardware and software work together efficiently, optimizing performance.
The second question would be, what role of installing and configuring computer system?
So the rule of that particular area, it enhances security by setting up firewalls, antivirus programs, and other protection measures.
Thank you, Ms. Jerry Garrett. Hello, candidates. Since we are done the methods of assessment. For now, I will give you the results of your assessment. So, are you ready? So, I will call you individually. So, Miss Valeria, please come here in front.
So, Ms. Maria, how are you feeling? I feel nervous. So, okay, based on the assessment criteria enumerated in the rating sheet, for the written test, you passed. For the actual demonstration, you performed well. For the oral questioning, you answered very well. Based on the three methods used in this assessment, you passed it all. So, in this manner, I pronounce you competent. So, congratulations. So kindly affix your signature in the rating sheet as well as the cards for the candidate signature portion. So this is an indication that you accept my assessment petition.
Thank you, Miss Valeria. So, next one, Miss Jelly Garden. Please come here in front.
So Ms. Garnet, how are you feeling? Okay, in the written test as well as the oral interview, you did well. But however, in the actual demonstration, you were not able to perform within the standard prescribed in this qualification. So you have to practice installing and configuring computer system. So affix your signature here in the rating sheet as well as the cards. So this is an indication that you accept my assessment decision. So, but don't worry, you can reassess at your own convenience. And also, the reassessment will focus on those performance where you are not yet competent. So,
Thank you, Miss Jelly Garden. So, candidates, our assessment has officially ended. Thank you for your participating. Have a safe trip journey back home. Thank you and congratulations.